And welcome back. This is the Paracord Weaver, and today we're going to talk about pocket watches and leashes or leads, tethers. My son has a watch that the strap broke. It was a wrist watch, and he didn't want a wristband. He wanted to have it tethered with a leash or a lead. So we came up with this. He likes this green and orange. So we attached it in the back there, and we used a trigger clasp, hook onto the belt loop, and then he wanted to have both the cobra and the snake weave. So we did a double lanyard knot in the center there and then attached them together. So I just wanted to show you what we were doing there. This Paracord Weaver, and just give you some new ideas and new thoughts on how to do things, and we'll see you next time.